She's the one. This is the girl that has been tormenting me for the past 5 years. She's the one.
Who are you? And what are you doing here?
I am Leisha. From Omeme to a kingdom.
Do you know that kingdom?
I don't know. What does that have to do with us? I'm here to bind you! Yes. I'm here to cast you!
Yes.
He is my husband. From the marine kingdom.
When you marry, we will not know.
I don't want to know. I don't marry anybody.
He is not your husband!
I am not
He is the chosen one!
Yes!
He belongs to Almighty!
God!
Yes! And right here, I was sent to deliver him!
Hold on. My husband, you know I've been keeping all this away from you for the past 5 years. And I'm ready to give everything. I mean...
It's a lie!
Pastor.
Shh!
Yes.
I did not come for you. I came for him.
Yes.
I know! I came for him too!
Listen, Pastor. I called you. You did not come for me. So, Pastor, see. This thing I have been wanting it for the past 5 years. If she has been giving it to me, I would have called you. So let me just enjoy this one today. Then tomorrow you can come and...
You need to let her go! You will go as what it says in the book! I don't blame you! And we're going to deliver you! I don't blame you!
Hey, milady, can we go now?
Where?
To my room now. Everywhere is well limited and
No, there is no need for that actually. Don't worry, go to somewhere very nice and conducive.
Yeah, let's go.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.